In the last episode of the Evo 10, we detailed the car and cleaned it up. That showed us what was cosmetically savable on the car and what wasn't. So in this video, we're going to start replacing some of the items that couldn't be saved. Welcome to another Gears and Gasoline video, and we have the Evo again. We just got it back from Automotive Aesthetic where we detailed it.
And it looks good. It looks very clean, like all the paint cleaned up, all the carbon fiber cleaned up, or most of it anyway.
Yeah, most of it did. The wheels are still pretty rough. I don't think the wheels are savable, so, you know.
I mean, we do got a tower of parts over here that we need to figure out what to do with.
We have a bunch of goodies, but Mark, I don't know about you, I'm curious how much this thing weighs. Before we do anything, those wheels have got to be boat anchors.
I mean, the wheels and the fenders, yeah, I'd say probably about 3,900 pounds.
39?
Yeah.
It has, yeah, I mean, it has full interior, functional AC.
I mean, if you're gonna also put yourself in there, you know, kind of do
With
that
me?
race weight.
Sure, okay. No way. 3545. That's 200 pounds heavier than my STI. 250 pounds heavier than my STI. Yeah.
Yeah, she's a big girl.
That is 1,000 pounds heavier than my RX-7. And that is 1,200 pounds heavier than my Civic.
Good thing you got lighter wheels.
Yeah, let's lighten this pig up. Jeez. Obviously, the wheels that are on the Evo currently are not really savable. We tried our best to clean them at Automotive Aesthetic, but they're a little too far gone. But they're also not really my style. So we're gonna change them up. We're gonna mix it up with some new wheels. We got here from Volks Racing. We bought these through Fitment Industries, and they have literally any wheel option, size, brand, offset, color, literally anything that you want. So I knew immediately, because I'm gonna have to get some crazy offset and some crazy size for this car, I was like straight to Fitment Industries because I know they have like a ridiculous gallery. They also have pictures of other people's cars, so you can look up Evos with wide bodies and see what they look like with different offset wheels and stuff, so you can make sure you get the perfect fitment every time. And that's what we got right here. This is an 18 by 10.5. What's on the car currently is an 18 by 11.5. So we're actually going a little bit more narrow because I don't like how much poke there is on this. And also, that's just a big wheel and it doesn't need it. I think a 10.5 is plenty. We're gonna use the same tire, but it's gonna be half an inch less poke on the outside and half an inch less on the inside. It is the same offset. And you're probably wondering by now, Ben, what freaking wheel did you get? I got a ZE40 again. Yes, you probably recognize these because I had this exact design on the STI, but I love it. It's such a good design, you cannot go wrong. It might be my favorite design that Ray's has. And a lot of people were upset that I took them off the STI, but fret no more because we're putting them on the Evo. You've probably seen these tire machines in the background of our shop for years now. Believe it or not, they haven't been hooked up until now. And now that they're finally hooked up, we can change our own tires in-house. And of course, by we, I mean Mark. So Mark has the wheel actually face down. We have some microfiber cloth to protect the wheel. Because of the shape of the barrel, these work wheels are two-piece wheels, and I think they're actually a reverse barrel in order to have the crazy offset that's on this car. And as a result, the shape of the barrel makes it really hard to get the wheel off, or the tire off of the wheel.
These works, they need to be worked. Here you go, Ben.
Woo! What do you think? How much do you think these things weigh?
I'm gonna say 27 pounds.
27? I've never had a wheel that heavy.
Really? You
no.
haven't had a wheel that heavy?
I've never had a wheel this big.
I mean, unless I'm like, I don't know, that's pretty heavy.
Never had a wheel over 20 pounds. 23.
23?
23. Okay, let's see.
Oh! Oh!
29 pounds.
Man,
dude.
My arms are calibrated.
Wow, that is crazy. There's some significant weight savings there for sure. Holy smokes. All right, let's put the Volks on. Let's see actually, let's grab a Volks, see how much it weighs. Okay, let's see. Oh, would you just look at that. Even I can hold this one out barely.
All right.
All right, let's
So that one, how much do you think that is?
I'm gonna say 23. I'm gonna go with 23. It's still, it's a big wheel.
I'm gonna say 23 as well.
Yeah, it's a big wheel.
I think you're right on this one. You were way off on the other.
Whoa, man, 20. How? It is 1 inch narrower, but still 9 pounds lighter.
So 32-pound difference?
32 pounds off the weight of the car.
All four.
Unsprung weight, rotational mass.
Dude, that's crazy.
That is massive.
Yeah. It's a good thing you're getting rid of these.
Yeah, these wheels look much nicer too. The bronze on the red, cannot wait.
Good luck putting that tire on.
Yeah, okay.
The beauty of mounting tires ourselves means that we can take our time and protect the wheels with tape while mounting so that we don't accidentally scratch the wheels.
All right, so far so good.
Beautiful. Look at that untouched wheel. Amazing.
It is.
Here, I'll take this down.
Okay. Of course you will.
Wait.
Oh, are you?
You gotta balance it, Mark. Can you balance it for me?
Daggone it. Almost got away with that.
Oh, wow, you're done.
Yeah, all the work's
Oh,
done.
How about that? Wow. All right, guys, we've mounted our tire to the wheel and we've balanced it, both of us together. Now we're gonna put it on the car.
I need a raise.
Oh man, you know, with the tire, it's still kind of heavy. That's pretty flush. I'm a fan of that.
This looks much better than the other setup.
Yeah, the bronze is like a good match with the red. I don't have to keep it clean.
You know what you did forget?
Lug nuts
Yeah, the valve stem.
and a valve stun cap. Well, I have some lug nuts. For lug nuts, we're going with some special stuff. These are Project Kicks lug nuts, and they're actually a 2-piece lug nut. So it's kind of cool because the bottom part of the lug will spin separately from the top part of the lug. So when you put them onto the wheel, when you tighten them down, you're not digging into the face of the wheel. It's actually keeping the wheel nice, fresh, and clean. Probably also smooths out some of the torque application on there as well. But yeah, super excited to run these. Never had them before. Thanks to Fitment Industries, we've got them. I will torque. Dude, that's a good look. They still have a decent amount of poke up here in the front, but maybe with it on the ground, maybe it'll tuck in. Dude, Fitment Industries was on point. Like, I seriously, being able to look at other pictures of other Evos to see what would fit right, this is perfect. I want to take it outside to look at what it looks like out in the sun, but I have a few more things I want to do. I mean, we have some more boxes. So I think this is next. We'll take the car at the end of this video. That'll give you something to stick around for. At the end of this video, we'll take it out, get some nice, pretty glamours of it.
So I think they already know.
Well, they know what the brand is, of that one anyway. But what's in this box, huh? Huh?
What's in the box?
What's in this box? Find out more later in this video. Headlights.
Right.
Man,
These are sequential.
I think so. Look how much cleaner they are. Bumper has come off, yeah?
Bumper does have to come off.
While we have the bumper off legitimately, I think we should remove the splitter.
I agree.
It's kind of like, it's so droopy in the middle. It's not really functional. It's sticking up too high. It's just, I mean, like it doesn't fit the Voltex lip and stuff.
Ben, this is ridiculous.
How much do you think that weighs?
I mean, this is probably, I don't know, probably 15 pounds.
Seriously?
Yeah, dude. This is crazy. Here, catch.
No, I'm good.
I know these headlights don't actually look that bad in video, but in person, you can see the spider cracking inside the lens, and that bothers me. I also just wanted to upgrade these to a more modern looking headlight.
Okay, we've got the old headlights out, and these, I think were actually the OEM headlight housing, just kind of retrofitted for some projectors. So they have HIDs in there, and our new headlights do not have HIDs. So we went to Advanced, got ourselves some LED bulbs. So that way this thing is a full LED setup. And we gotta throw these in the back of this housing here, and then throw them onto the car. It should be plug and play. You plug this in and then you play, and it should all work. So we'll find out. All right, Mark, we're not done. We got some more stuff.
What's this Wii stuff?
Okay, I got some more stuff. Oh man,
Oh wow.
I really went for it.
You really did. I didn't know you went smoke.
Yeah, I did. Is this the other side?
Yeah, that would be
The other side. I don't usually go with like the super hot boy taillight.
Dude, it looks good.
I figured
I'm kind of jealous of this.
the back of the car is red, and so like I figured I'd go dark with the taillights for contrast. Not that bad. Okay, let's look it up.
Let's look it up.
I'm branching out of my comfort zone a little bit with these taillights because I feel like I always take the safe route. But this Evo in general is kind of a branch out of my comfort zone, so I figured I'd try something a little different.
I don't know, dude. I think it's gonna look good.
I don't know. It's a bit much for me.
I know it's a bit much for you, but I think it'll grow on you. All right, you ready?
Yeah, go for it. The future is now. Oh man, they look so good when they're on.
This Evo is finally looking like a modern car now. It's been 6 years since this car has had a refresh, and I think it's headed in the right direction. I can't wait for the next episode where we make even more improvements.